Hey y'all, Fat Girl Shay here. I have another challenge for you guys. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lobster tail challenge. Now y'all know I never eat all my food. This is a lot of food and I don't know why I added some fried rice in the middle. Don't ask me. But let me show y'all. I hope this don't fall. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna start with this rice because I just know this is good. I got my sauce today. Even though I gotta drizzle on top, I'm gonna still dip them if I need to. Cause it's 1 bite per lobster tail. And I need all the moisture I can get to get these things to go down. But yeah, this rice is everything. How y'all doing? How are y'all doing? Cause I am just over being quarantined, part-time quarantine. I'm just over this whole thing. After I eat this, I'm gonna go drive around somewhere, hopefully, and get lost. But let's see. Let's do this one that's right in front of me. Let's go ahead and do this, little baby. I feel like I'm gonna lose this challenge just miserably. Miserably. I know I am. Okay, I don't have nowhere to put these. Oh. I know I'm gonna fail. Let's pray, Lord. That bite was huge, and that was the smallest one. Okay, we're still alive. We are still alive. Let's get to the next one. I don't know if this challenge had a time limit, but I'm not messing with no time limit because I will not kill myself. Oof. Start. Oh my God. I don't know if I'm gonna do 12. I mean, I'm 11. I don't know, y'all. It's taking me forever just to get one down. About 12. 11. I keep saying 12. I don't know about 11. Let's go this way. Those over there look kind of big. Well, no, we can do this one. Let's do this one. Ooh, I splattered that everywhere. Was that 2 bites? I can't tell right now, y'all. Excuse me. Damn. And these I feel like are the smallest lobster tails I could find. And they're still too goddamn big. I forgot who started this challenge, but you got a big mouth. You got a huge mouth. I wish my mouth was that big. I really do. I could put this in my mouth, this whole thing. That wasn't so bad. That was kind of soft. A little overcooked, I think. I didn't like that texture. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all want this one? Y'all don't want it? I'll eat it. Whatever. Tired of being nice to y'all. Yeah, I just lost a challenge. I lost. I couldn't put that whole thing in my mouth. I lost it. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 5th one, I lost. I'ma still eat because these was not cheap, okay? They may be little, but they was not cheap. So I'm gonna eat. I need a do-over because I had faith in this challenge. I need a do-over. That don't count. I want to put some garlic butter on this rice. I don't know why, but I feel like it's gonna taste good. That's a weird. That's a weird taste. I don't know. Let's go for this baby. This hurt my jaw. Not my jaw, but like that is my jaw actually. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, I lost. I can't. I just can't. Too many big bites. My mouth is not ready for all of that just yet. I did 4 of them. I did 4.
What more do you want from me?
That's as far as I can get. That hurt. It really do hurt. Y'all got some strong jaws. Big mouths and strong jaws. Whoever started this challenge. Cause baby, these fat ass jaws is tired. I don't know why I put that stuff on this rice. Being fucking fat. I got stuff all on my shirt. When did that even get there? Whatever, girl. Whatever. I'm not even gonna worry about it. Come on out. Don't be selfish now. I paid good money for you. I'm gonna eat every bit of you. I know exactly how that got on my shirt. Me leaning into the plate like that. Just like that. Me leaning into the plate. It's all right, y'all. One, two, three, four. 4 left. I'm struggling. I'm really struggling, y'all. I can't. I'm gonna just eat the rest of this rice. My stomach feel like it's about to bust open. Like, for real. If I eat one more, I'm gonna be miserable. I'm gonna be so miserable. I'm gonna be mad at myself because I already know how I get when I get too full and I get just uncomfortable. Like, So that might be my last one. Do y'all think y'all can eat 11 lobster tails? And these are little ones. Just imagine if I got the big ones. Like I wanted to do. I really wanted to get the big ones. I was like, no, let me not be too fat. All right, y'all. I can't force this down. I'm not gonna force it down. I'm already uncomfortable. So if you're new to my channel, then welcome. If you're returning, you already know what to do. Hit that like, make sure you leave a comment down below, and share if you would like. And if you have not already, hit that notification bell down there so you can be notified of the next video that I release. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys.